This April 22nd marks Earth Day, which has been honored on that date every year since 1970. Now, why talk about Earth Day? Because it's the planet that we live on, the planet that sustains us. So in honor of the 51st Earth Day, here are some facts on the event's beginnings and progress to today. Earth Day was created in the U.S. in 1970 by former Wisconsin Governor Gaylord Nelson, who earned himself the title Conservation Governor because of his rigorous conservation measures. April 22nd was chosen as Earth Day because it fell between spring break and final exams for college students, who Nelson and the other organizers were looking to as the main participants and catalysts for the event. They reached out to organizations all across the nation and planned teach-ins on college campuses. By engaging young and eager students, they hoped to stir up the same passion that was shown during the anti-war protests and demonstrations of the time. 20 million Americans participated in the first Earth Day in 1970, which was 10% of the United States population. According to Nelson, Earth Day planned itself. It was a grassroots event with numerous protests, rallies, and demonstrations, all spreading the message that it was time for humans to clean up their act and start working towards practices that are better for the Earth and its inhabitants. Shortly after the first Earth Day, President Nixon created the Environmental Protection Agency and passed a handful of acts, so there was an immediate response to the call to action. Skip ahead to 1990, Earth Day became an international event with 200 million people participating from 141 nations. And internationally, the day is known as International Mother Earth Day. Events are put on all over the world every April 22nd, and you can find more information and see if there's any events going on by you by checking out earthday.org. Speaking about the environment can be extremely overwhelming. There's countless issues on a very large scale, so it begs the question of why bothering when you're just one person, but any effort counts. The next time you buy an item you can carry, turn down the plastic bag. If you live in an area that has recycling collection, it helps to be familiar with what items are actually accepted, because contrary to popular belief, things like plastic bags and similar flimsy plastics cannot be recycled with your other items, because they can cause problems at the recycling facility. But many grocery stores have collection bins for them. There's over 7 billion people on the planet, so any small effort multiplied by millions has the possibility to create a large effect.